Hello world! This is Demark the programmer, and I'll like to get you started with learning HTML. Do you know what previous knowledge you'll need to know to start learning HTML? The answer is none. No previous knowledge is required. This series will be for both absolute beginners to advanced programmers. HTML is usually the first thing most programmers learn when trying to be a web developer and front-end developer. Also, knowing HTML will allow you to immediately start creating websites and is really easy to learn and play around with. For the more advanced programmer, of course, feel free to skip around, but beginners, I highly recommend that you start from the beginning. Here is a list of topics that I plan to teach in this series, which includes what editing software to use, understanding and creating elements or tags, using different media, understanding browser roles, basic CSS and JavaScript, and more. I'll end this video short and not prolong your journey to being a programmer any longer. Next video, I'll be showing you a good editor to use to get you started coding and also show you how to write your first HTML code. See you in the next video.